Hi, Deb here from potionsandpots.com, and today I thought I would give you a little insight on typical tea blends that we keep in our cupboards here and pull from every day, and I'm going to spotlight one today. But before I do that, turn on your notifications, subscribe to my channel down below, and don't forget you can comment along the way. Today I'm going to talk about, my White Rabbit Chamomile Tea Blend. One of my newer blends, but right now it's my favorite blend. It is a combination. Well, let me tell you why it started. I was reading Peter Rabbit to my grandchildren last year, and I said, girls, we're going to have some chamomile tea just like Mrs. Rabbit made for her bunnies when they came back from Mr. McGregor's garden. And that's why I named it White Rabbit Chamomile Tea. Of course, there's chamomile in it, there's oat straw in it, there's rose hips, rose petals, and lemon balm. Absolutely a delightful blend. A great blend also, this is safe for children, so it would be a great blend for them to have when they have a stuffy nose, because you know that decongestant thing and the old chicken soup thing. Well, a good chamomile tea keeps them calm, relaxed, maybe let them sleep a little better, and maybe help with the sniffles. So that's what today's blend is about. White Rabbit Chamomile Tea. Give me 2 thumbs up if you liked this. And
how do you make it?
I make this, good question. This particular blend is, you run about 2 teaspoons in maybe 12, I'm saying because I have 2 children, 2 grandchildren. So I would put 2 teaspoons in about 10 to 12 ounces of boiling water. Let it steep up to 5 minutes, and then you strain it into their little cups. And it's absolutely delicious. It's not just for kids. It is such a wonderful curl up with a napkin, read a book at the end of the day, chamomile tea. And it's so simple to make and absolutely delicious to taste. It's great all by itself. No need to add sugar or cream. And I try to incorporate that in all my tea blends. If anything, I also make candied orange peels. And if you need a little sweetness or a little boost of high vitamin C, you can always throw in candied orange peel. And one of my videos in the future will be how to make candied orange peels for yourself and add them to these wonderful tea blends. So keep in touch, and I will keep coming back for videos, and I'm here to help you learn about herbs.